Hello and welcome to today's class. This is your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. So basically today we'll be looking at F geometry. So first things first, kindly like and follow my YouTube channel for more of such videos. Okay, so F geometry by definition, this is a branch of mathematics that deals with the following. Okay, it deals with the location of time on the earth surface. Okay, then calculation of distance. Okay, then finding the difference and the calculation of speed. Okay, so the earth is a sphere in the shape with radius r, which is equals to 6370 in uh, kilometers. Okay, sorry, in uh, kilometers. Okay, in the 37, 34, 37 in nautical miles. Okay, so on the Earth surface, there are imaginary lines which are called latitudes. So, okay, so on the Earth surface, there are imaginary lines which are called uh, latitudes and the longitudes. Okay, so there is where we have such a diagram like this one. Okay, something like this. Okay, in the we have our equator there, then something like this. Okay, just that I'm not able to draw well since I'm using a tablet. Okay, so we have the latitude. These are lines which are drawn from east to west on the Greenwich meridian. So these are yeah, these lines are the latitudes. Okay, okay. Then we have the longitude. These are lines which are drawn from south to north. Okay, from south to north. So these are these lines. Okay, this line here. Okay, so this is the line I'm talking about. So this is the latitude, then this is the longitude. Okay, because okay, so we have an example there. Okay, been given an example. Okay, so we're told that town N is on uh 0 degrees, 30 degrees west, and town K is on 0 degrees and in the 60 degrees north as shown below. Okay, so we're told to say if the radio quiz is scheduled to start at 12 hours at L, find find the time at which people at K will be listening to the quiz. So how are we going to calculate this kind of equation? So first things first, we're going to add what? We're going to add the uh, the longitude. Okay, we're going to add the longitude in this particular case. Okay, so solutions for A. Okay, so we're going to say since we know L is represented by this and K is represented by this. Okay, so we're going to say 30 degrees. Okay, plus 60 degrees. So this is equals to so different signs what they add. Okay, so this is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, then for us to calculate our time, so what do we know? We know that 1 hour is equals to 15 degrees. Okay, so we're going to divide the 90 over 15 degrees, which is basically equals to what? To 6 hours. Okay, so this is equals to 6 hours. Okay, hence we're now going to do what? We're going to say that if the time given in our question, if the time at k is equals to what? 12 hours. Okay, plus the 6 hours we have found. So this will basically be at what time? At 18 hours. Okay, the time will be at what? 18 hours. Okay, so we have found the time. So this is how we calculate uh time. Okay, then we now, if you have a question where you're not clear, kindly let me know. We now look at question B. It says, what is the difference between L and K in uh kilometers? Okay, which is 63 70, and pi is given by uh it's given by 22 over 7 in this particular case. Okay, so for us to find the difference B, so this is B, the difference in between, sorry, between L and K, okay, in kilometer, in uh kilometers. Okay, so our formula for distance is pi over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 2 pi r cos what? Cos x. Okay, so in this particular case, all we have is what? We replace our variables, what we have in our equation. We know we have the difference in longitude is what? Is 90 degrees. Okay, so we replace 90 degrees, okay, over 360, okay, 360 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 2, then we have 22 over 7, okay, multiplied by 63 70, okay, multiplied by cos 0, since we have not been given our what? Our cos. Okay, so cos 0. Okay, also what we're going to do in this particular case, okay, we're going to work out this. So we know that when we divide 90 there, it's just 1. Then 90 into 360 is just going to be 4. So we're going to have 1 over 4, okay, multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 63 70 multiplied by uh, when we calculate cos 0, this is just going to be 1. Okay, so you should know this because this is paper 1 question. So when you calculate cos 0, this is just 1. Okay, hence going to have what? Uh, now going to have, okay, so we're going to have 1 over 4, okay, multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22. This is just going to be 44 over 7 multiplied by 63 70. Okay, so 63 70. So when we multiply by 1, this is just going to give us this. Okay, hence this is going to be equals to, so what's going to happen is this 4 can go into there, this is 1, then this in 4 into there, this is going to be 11. Okay, so we're going to remain with, so this multiplied by this is going to be 11, then we're going to have 11 over 7 multiplied by 63, okay, 63 70. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, 63 70. Okay, which is when we multiply 11 by this, so you just use this, since you won't have a calculator, so you just need to calculate like this. Okay, okay, so just multiply like this, but because of time I'll just go direct. So we're going to have 700 70 over 7. Okay, so this is equals to what? So 7 into 7 is 1. Okay, then this will be 0 0, then 7 into 7 again is uh, basically 1. Okay, then 7 into divided by 0. Okay, this is just going to be 0 in uh, kilometers. Okay, so basically this is how we calculate the uh, this is how we calculate the difference between L and A in kilometers. Okay, so we now look at another question. All right, we resume. So question 2 says a soccer match kicked off at 14 hours at point A, which is uh, 20 degrees north and 30 degrees east. What could uh what what could be the kickoff time of the soccer match at B? Okay, 20 degrees north and 15 degrees uh west. So we know our data has been given. So in order for us to calculate our time, we simply add what? Our latitude, since they are running from east west. So we're going to say uh 30 degrees plus 15 degrees, okay, which is equals to what? 45. Okay, 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. Okay, then for us to calculate our time, we know that uh 15 degrees is equals to 1 hour. Okay, so 15 degrees is equals to uh 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to say 45 degrees over 15 degrees. This is equals to um 3 hours. So this is basically equals to what? To 3 hours. Okay, so in order for us to find the time, okay, time at uh B, okay, so this is, since we know that the time at A is what? 14 hours. Okay, okay, so sorry for that. Minus 3 minus 3 hours. So minus 3 hours. So minus uh 3 hours. Okay. So this is going to be basically equals to what? 11 hours, as the time they will be watching the football match on the other side. Okay, then we look at question B. Okay, question B. So question B says 2 points P and Q are on the same longitude. Given that P is uh 40 degrees north and 15 degrees south, and PQ um is equals to 700 uh 700 200 nautical miles. Find the position of Q. So in this particular scenario, okay, so in this particular scenario, okay, we have been given our P as 40 degrees north and 15 degrees south. Okay, and PQ is what? Is equals to 7,200 in nautical miles. Okay, so in this particular case, PQ is equals to what? Um, this is equals to Q pi, sorry, multiplied by 60. Okay, so we know that our PQ is 7,000, okay, 200 in nautical miles, which is going to be equals to our theta. We don't have theta, okay, multiplied by 60. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. We have a child with okay, okay, okay.